You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today, we are going to learn a simple way of drafting shade color pattern. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. If you have not joined my WhatsApp group, I've dropped the link on the comment section and also on the description box. In case you've not watched my previous video on how I made this color, I have also dropped the link at the end of this video. So kindly watch till the end for you to get the best out of it. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. I am using fiber to draft the pattern. We are also going to need a ruler and also a hip curve. This is actually a local hip curve I drafted by myself, but it's not must that you make use of it. First of all, you are going to draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. Make sure the lines are straight. If the fiber is already in a square form and has straight line, there might not be need for this. So we are going to use a neck size of 19. 19 divided by 2 will give us 9.5. This is to ensure that we can use it to cut every other size of color. You mark half an inch here. Come here, add 1 inch. What we are trying to get now is the color stand. Mark 1/4 or 1.25 inches here. At this point, you are marking 1/4 or 0.25. Use your ruler and join the two coordinates. Don't forget that we already marked half an inch here. So we also use a ruler to join it to this other point. This place you are marking 1/4. This is 1 inch. Mark 1.5 inches here. Please do well to like this video, share to your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Now we are going to mark 1/4 or 0.25 here so that we can use it to curve this end. We are done with the collar stand. Now let's cut the collar itself. You mark 1/3 here. Come to this place and mark 2.5 inches. You join the 2 points together. You make it a bit curvy, and that's the only place you are going to make use of this hip curve. Then, because we are trying to draft a pointed neck, we add 3/4 inch here and extend, then join it up to this point. Then we cut. Thank you for watching this video. Click the banner on your screen right now to watch my next video.